Yes, toys.
H902, fit like a glove.
Did he blow one?
Click here, click again, again. Now you go down with this, go service interval, okay, reset, okay, yes, that's it. This is how you change oil in Kia Stonic 1.6. Hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys like always.
See you next time.